Hi, I'm Zahra from LZ Service. Let me show you how the right complexion is pinch-proof, rut-proof, tear-proof, and sweat-proof even with a thin layer of foundation. In this masterclass, you'll learn how to make a resilient complexion in summer or even in winter. No one has ever shared this material before, because it's been a long journey in finding these techniques. And I won't tell you to use a certain product, but it's you, the one who will choose your own product, because I will share the knowledge on how to choose the product based on ingredient. First thing first, you have to know the skin deeper. So in LZ Masterclass, there are a theory class about skin structure and a demonstration class how to apply it. Interestingly, the class is also provided with some illustrations. So here we go. See you soon at LZ's Masterclass.